Come on. So what we're looking at is actually a replica of the Rosetta Stone, the most important and probably popular cornerstone of what we understand as ancient Egyptian culture. It is the reason that we understand hieroglyphics. So, long backstory short, Napoleon and his men find it in 1799, and it's actually being used as rubble. And that's why it's broken. It used to be a whole thing. But what makes it so important is it's actually got 3 different kinds of script. 2 different languages, but 3 scripts. So this first one is hieroglyphs, which was completely lost to us for thousands of years. And if we look right here, we can actually see this is called a cartouche. That's essentially a royal name tag. And that is how they decoded it. So this is ancient hieroglyphs. This is Demotic, a script that was developed kind of later on in Egyptian history. But the reason that we know what these say is because this is in ancient Greek. So the time that it was carved out was the time of Ptolemy. So this is Greek kind of invasion or residency in Egypt. So for anything to be legally binding, it had to be written in Greek. Now, Demotic was used for things like tax documents, and then hieroglyphs are used for royal or religious inscriptions. So what this is about is actually super lame. It's about like a tax write-off for building a particular temple. So because it's about a temple, it's going to be a religious text. Because it's about taxes, it is written in Demotic, and then because of the time period, it is also written in Greek. So because they understood ancient Greek, it took them something like 22, 23 years to decode it, but because of those cartouches, which that name, which does not change, they were able to identify which characters represented which sounds and letters. So, the Rosetta Stone.